Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Today, for literacy, we're going to start with substituting our sounds again. Our first word is going to be fill, fill, f-i-o, fill. Now change the I to an oi, foil, foil. That one's tricky. So fill, f-i-o, to foil. Oil, foil. Good. Now, we are going to do that, and we're changing the is, or our vowel sounds, to oi. Okay, so the oi sound is hard to hear when we're changing a shorter vowel sound into that oi sound. But remember, we're looking at the amounts of sounds, okay? So our next word is bill. Bill. I-o, bill. Now change the I to an oi. Don't forget that ol at the end. B-oi-ol, boil. Good. Next word, curl. K-er-ol, curl. We're changing that to an oi. Coil, coil. Oil, coil. Next word, most, most. M-o-st, st. Let me try that again. Most, m-o-st, most. Change the o to an oi. Moist, m-oi-st, moist. Next word, corn. Corn. K-o-or-n. Corn. Change the or to an oi. Coin. K-oin. Coin. Last word, tea. Tea. T-e. Change the e to an oi. Toy, oi, toy. Good job, guys. Now, today, we are going to be doing a T-chart with our two oi sounds. And here are our two oi sounds. Put this right behind me so that you can see it. Our two oi sounds are spelled with O-I and O-Y. Let me see if I can get rid of that glare. O-I, there we go, and O-Y. O-I and O-Y. So I'd like you to make a T-chart with an O-I on one side and an O-Y on the other side. Now remember, O-Y only comes at the end, except for in some very, not words that we use very often, like oyster. O-Y comes at the beginning of oyster. But most of the time, O-Y is at the end, and O-I is either in the beginning or the middle. So when I say the word, I want you to decide if the oi is in the beginning or the middle, or if the oi is at the end. Okay? So I'm not going to show you how I write it yet. I want you to try to write it, and then I will show you. Okay, O-I happens in the beginning and the middle. O-Y happens at the end. Okay, first word. Noise. 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 Do you hear it at the end? No? Do you hear it at the beginning? No? Is it in the middle? Yes. Noise. Oi, s. And then we put an E at the end because we don't end our words with just one S. So noise. N-O-I-S-E. Noise. Good. Next word, Ooh, this one's going to be a name. So what should it be? Should be capitalized, right? Our word is Roy. Oy. I heard it. I heard where it was. Where are you going to write it? Oy. With a capital R because it's a name. Roy. Roy. Okay, another word that's also another name. Troy. Now it's not a ch. Listen. Oy. Oy. Again, it's a name, so what kind of letter needs to be in the beginning? Troy. Troy. T-R-O-Y. Troy. Okay, next word. Spoil. 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 Oil. Now look, if I cover up that SP, that blend, it's just the word oil. So I'm adding a beginning blend to the word oil, spoil. Next word, moist. There is an ST at the end. Listen to the blend. Moist. Okay? Oy. I heard it in the middle, so how do we spell this one? M-O-I-S-T. Next word, enjoy. J-oy. Let me try it with the hand that you can see. Sorry. J-oy. Okay. I hear the oy at the end. N. J. Oy. Enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Okay? Last, well, we'll do one for each spelling pattern, okay? Next one, ooh, this one's hard. Okay. This is going to be a compound word. Compound word. Newsboy. Newsboy. So compound word, news, boy. Newsboy. And remember that spelling pattern for ooh, not o-o like boo. News boy. Ooh, that one was a tricky one. N-E-W-S, news boy, B-O-Y, newsboy. Compound word with 2 syllables. And our last word for our O-I spelling is an ending blend also. Oint, point. Oint, point. Point. Oint, point. P-O-I-N-T. P-O-I-N-T. Great job, guys. Now, we are going to talk about a haiku, a type of poem. A haiku is a type of poem that only has 3 lines. It only has 3 lines. And the first line has 5 syllables, and the second line has 7 syllables, and our third line has 5 syllables again. Okay, so now when we read poetry before, we like the vacuum cleaner, remember from last week, the vacuum cleaner? That was a rhyming poem, and there were rhyming words in every other line. Then on the haiku poem, there does not have to be rhyming. And get this, guys, there doesn't even have to be punctuation. There doesn't even have to be punctuation. So I'm going to read you a poem called Haiku. Now in Seesaw, you guys will be able to see the pages that I'm reading. Today, I'm just going to read it. Okay, so this is a poem, and a poem uses words to create images in our mind. So I am going to read a haiku poem. It's 3 lines, and they each have, and the poem has 5 syllables in the first line, 7 syllables in the second line, and 5 syllables in the last line. Okay, ready? Keep straight down this block, then turn right where you will find a peach tree blooming. That's it. That is it. That's the whole poem. That's the whole poem. Okay, this time I'm going to clap so that you can hear the different syllables. Because remember, 5 syllables, 7 syllables in the second line, 5 syllables in the third line. Ready? Keep straight down this block. Keep straight down this block. Second line. Then turn right where you will find. Then turn right where you will find. 7 syllables. Okay, and what is our last line? 5 syllables. A peach tree blooming. Blooming had 2 syllables. A peach tree blooming. So 5, 7, 5. Now, like I said, you'll be able to see this poem in Seesaw. It has the same words that I just read, but that is going to be a poem that you can read on Seesaw, and then you're going to rewrite the last line. So instead of a peach tree blooming, you are going to write a new line with 5 syllables. It's gonna be a piece of cake. I love haiku poems because there are no rules for haiku poems other than the syllables, 5, 7, 5. So you can be creative as you want. So this is what we're gonna be doing this week, and I love haiku poems. Have a great Tuesday, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.